Africa Content TV.
Members are helping themselves. So I won't say my own, I will say what others are doing. Itimomo, but can have no problem to keep my Yashida. Funka Hidene gave her money. Yabo Joe gave money. Toya Imaku gave money. Messi Aibe gave money. And a host of others. Omoboti, they all came out, they supported. I gave what I can give. Because I want to so it was the problem to share like our veterans accumulated problem ni o kọjá nǹkan tí àwa ta jẹ́ present artist ta lè yanjú ẹjẹ́ àsọtọ̀ yẹn fáwọn èèyàn so ẹni tó bá rò pé mo ní reason láti bọ́ta kó bọ́ta kíá get help Agbala Gabriel, thank you for what you are doing. Mo dúpẹ́ pé ẹ sọ pé àwọn ọmọ church yìí nìkan lè fẹ́ ràn lọ́wọ́ ẹnu ọwọ́ ọ̀fẹ́ síta ìjọ yín ò ní tú.
Ẹ wo fọ́nrán ọ̀rọ̀ náà bó ṣe lọ.
I am doing this particular broadcast to specifically address the president of Tampan, Mr. Latin. That is Mr. Bolaji Amusan JP. Mr. Latin, you are president of Tampan, and by implication, you are the president of professionals in that association. You're not a president for social media. And whenever issue arises, I would appeal you take your time before you respond. And I've advised long time ago that you need a special advisor on media so that things will pass through the person and there will be serious censorship. You are human. If care is not taken, you will make mistakes like the one you just did with denying that those seeking help, actors seeking help, are not members of Tampan. Only I need to be honest with you. I will tell you the truth. The last time I did the movie Okoyabo, without benefit of a doubt, I want companies in social media. They are bloggers. Most of these people, they are full audience. They are not professional. They don't follow the ethics of journalism. You are way ahead of them. You are a professional filmmaker, for crying out loud. A professional journalist will have to balance or take their time before they even ask you. I want to commit. I want to be the time when you be the but I want to post. You don't have to respond. Ìjọba ní sọ pé torí pé yóò san tax. Àbí torí àwọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ tax lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kò san ilé ẹjọ́. Àbò accident ó wá ní kan náà lọ́wọ́ o. Wọ́n wá nítorí pé kí ìjọba governor ya lọ́wọ́ tax pé torí ẹni yẹn ò san tax. Ìdílé àwọn ò lè ràn lọ́wọ́ àbí kìíní kan. That government is gone. It's gone. Irú ìjọba yẹn ti pé ogun because that is not what leadership is all about. So most of our time, the other time you even went to grant interview with that woman, one woman, to her languages, and lifestyle, and everything is nothing. I don't know how members, because Papa, you need to stop. We are all colleagues. You talk about kọjá lulu fáwọn òbí ó ti kọjá ò mọ́jú o. Tẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ sọ yẹn pé àwọn tí àwọn ará ayé ń ràn lọ́wọ́, they are not responsible because tẹ́ bá sọ pé yóò sanwó ojúwe kò ń ṣọmọ ẹgbẹ́, you are saying they are not responsible and people will suffer restraint and then ó máa kó bá mental health wọn. These people have been long neglected and ẹ jẹ́ ká sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ fáwọn ará ilé. Gbogbo àwọn veterans tó ń jáde ṣàfẹ́ sọ pé wọn ò ṣiṣẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ṣiṣẹ́ nígbà tí wọ́n wà nígbèwe wọn àbí wọn ò ní talent ni ṣèbí piracy ni ò jẹ́ kí wọ́n jèrè iṣẹ́ wọn tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà aráàlú yóò mọ̀ pé things are not working well ìtìjú ẹgbẹ́ a package ẹgbẹ́ àṣẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ páyé nǹkan lọ fún wa dáadáa òun ló fà tí wọ́n fi ń dákẹ́ wọ́n láti enjoy ìgbẹ̀yìn ayé wọn And when they personally, as a professional, come out to express themselves, charity ni wọ́n béèrè fún. Àwọn American soldiers, veterans, British veterans, àwọn aráàlú ṣì ń donate fún wọn. So instead of it's something all association can come together and say, okay, let us create a platform where we can ask Nigerians, the fans, okay, sponsor a Nollywood veteran. And if you have interest, go apply síbẹ̀. Wọ́n fi details ẹ̀ síbẹ̀. Akomashipe gbogbo àwọn veterans wọ́n ní same accounts. Committee members are helping themselves. Èyí tẹ́mi ń ṣe fún gbogbo àwọn àgbàlagbà ẹ̀mí ní láti bọ́ta sọ. So I won't say my own, I will say what others are doing. Itimomo, but Kemi Afolabi don't need problem to keep by Yashida. Funka Kidele gave her money. Yabo Ojo gave money. Toya Imaku gave money. Messi Aipe gave money. And a host of others. Omoboti, they all came out, they supported. I gave what I can give. Gbogbo wa ṣe wọn ta lè ṣe yàtọ̀ sí pé àbọ̀tà sọ pé ẹ ràn wá lọ́wọ́ because àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan wà tó máa ń kọjá agbára wa. So it was the problem to ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn veterans accumulated problem ni. Ó kọjá nǹkan tí àwa ta jẹ́ present artist ta lè yanjú ẹgbẹ́ àsọtọ̀ yẹn fáwọn èèyàn. So ẹni tó bá rò pé òun ní reason láti bọ́ta kó bọ́ta kíá. Get help. Agbala Gabriel, thank you for what you are doing. Mo dúpẹ́ pé ẹ sọ pé àwọn ọmọ church yìí kan lè fẹ́ ràn lọ́wọ́ ẹnáwó ọ̀fẹ́ síta ìjọ yín ò ní tú. Ọlọ́run á máa ṣe inú ọ̀rọ̀ yín. Charity is one of the biggest religion. It's humanity. And it's all about them. Veterans are low. I am saying a huge thank you on behalf of them. You know the tower, Ọlọ́run mama ka fún yín. Gbogbo bí táwọn ọmọ yín bá ti ń retí ìrànlọ́wọ́ àbí tó yẹ kó jí sí kòtò ni. Ọlọ́run àròjọ tẹ dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún àwọn àgbààgbà yìí tó yẹ kó wọn ní hope kankan mọ́. Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ ṣe kí ni á jáde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún àwọn ọmọ yín. Àtẹ̀yìn náà. Thank you.